Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Solo 730 News stuff. They get my see we live. We are. I believe we are. We live. Right. What's going on, everybody? Today is January 20th. My live stream. I haven't done that many live streams since the new year started. We're gonna try to change all that. So I was doing some work. What I talk about today, I was doing some work with uh AWS and ChatGPT. They have a competition for AI ideas, which is kind of a dope name. So, so basically, what's going on with that? You got to create an app. It could be like an entertainment app, social app, any kind of app. But I keep when I was doing my research and looking at the blogs, I kept noticing this term MVP, right? So I'm like, what does that mean? What does MVP mean? Why doesn't it say I'm live though? Am I live? I don't say I'm live. I don't know. So I was noticing this term called MVP. Not sure what it means. So I decided to look it up. Hold on, I'm trying to get my chat popping. Hold on. Let's be live. But why I can't find it though? So in tech, so I just asked ChatGPT. In, in tech app development, what does MVP mean? And this is what it gave me. Minimum viable product. It means the simplest, most basic version of an app or product that can be released to real users to prove whether the idea actually works. Instead of trying to build a perfect app with every feature imaginable, you build just enough features to solve the core problems for real users quickly as and cheaply as possible. All right, so that's cool. But what does that really mean? It's like a basically it's a test app. Because as much as people like to think we're so smart and that every idea is the greatest idea in the world, some ideas do fail, unfortunately. So with MVP, state of it is very early. It's like a called like a no frill state. You just putting it out there, a watered down version of it, just to see if it's worth even continuing making this project. So I was like, oh, okay. So then I asked ChatGPT, is that similar to a beta? Is that similar to a beta or is MVP phase pre-beta? They related, but not the same thing. MVP is a product strategy, beta a release stage. So MVP comes before the beta. Before the beta, MVP. What we build, who we release it to. All right. So I deal with betas a lot playing my video game. And so with the betas, it's like it's more so about the consumer, right? And what the consumer like. Ooh, I'm sorry. What the consumer like and what the consumer doesn't like. What will be changed? Oh, the consumer. Um, this process doesn't work well. They're not really using this product, this process over here. Everybody's playing the same game mode, whatever the case may be. So that's what the beta is about. The beta is about consumer feedback. Feedback. The MVP is about the app, more so about the actual application that you're building. And is it useful? That's number one. Will it be used? Is it worth the time, money, and energy to continue building this app? Or should you go another direction? So that's what I got from it. Leave your likes, leave a like, and also leave your comments. Let me know what you got from it. You want to leave a bit, read a little bit more. MVP, first usable version of a product with only the core features built to validate the idea. It's about validation. Um, Beta, about 10 cent product fine, but it's not considered final. These are limited for testing feedback. This is the key: feedback and bug fix. So that's what I got from this. And I was just curious. 'Cause I kept seeing MVP, MVP, MVP. I'm like, does that mean most valuable product? No, it doesn't mean most valuable product. It means minimum viable product. So that's basically when you see MVP in the tech development world. MVP stands for minimum viable product. But anyway, that's it for my live stream today. So I really should have did this stream tomorrow and did the one about the AI ideas today, because tomorrow's the last day to actually put in your ideas on the AWS Builder app. Not an app, I guess. I guess it's an API. So I actually should have went over that, but I just want to just go over this real quick. All right, so we talked about this today. Later on or tomorrow, we're gonna talk about the AI ideas and how you could submit on your last day. Tomorrow's the last day to get your submission in. All right, well, thanks for watching, GG's. Don't forget leave a like, a comment. Got any questions? Let me know. Just say hi. All right. Thanks a lot.